I love Toy Moy.
Oh, wow.
It's a game changer.
Smell the difference. Choose Toy Moy cat litter.
Hello, good morning everyone. Mabuhay. Welcome to our show is A Day with Your Cat, a testimony, of course, the one and only Doc Kino Moralde.
Hello, I'm Dr. Kino. So I graduated from the UP, Los Baños, 2013. I took the board exam the same year. The grace of God, I passed it, first take. My first job is at UP VTH. It's a teaching hospital from Diliman.
Wow, Doc, how great it is, no? Your biography, grabe, amazing, bawo ko. But Doc, I just want to ask, I know you're a four parents. What do you do every day?
So actually, pag nandito ako sa bahay, hindi ako doktor, katulong. Ito yung boss. No?
Oh.
So when I wake up in the morning, the first thing I really do is, of course, greet the cats, and then I go down to make their breakfast.
Oh, you really? Ikaw yung nagpe-prepare?
Yeah, not all of them. This one, they eat, they eat kibbles naman na dry, and then I only give them wet food occasionally. But I have an old cat na needs, kailangan i-prepare yung food niya kasi dapat soft. And then I have a rescue cat. We have Saint Rio, the famous Rio Ayala cat. So dito siya nanganak. So she's currently my foster. So I actually foster 1 to 2 cats.
Oh, wow, that's
all the time. Kasi I have one catio there. The catio was given to me by a rescuer. So cat litter.
Importante.
Yes, very important ang cat litter.
Ngayon, matanong kita, Doc, since we talk about cat litter, how do you find our brand, the Toy Moy brand?
Oh, I love Toy Moy.
Oh, wow.
It's a game changer. I've been looking for cat litters kasi na when you scoop it, na hindi siya mabasag. Because yun yung nakakainis sa cat litter. Yung, ang dami pa niya, pero pag nabasag yung clamping sa
Naku, mahirap yan. So, mas lalong...
Yung tayo kasi medyo okay naman ang...
As malalong magastos kasi maraming isuscoop mo.
Yeah, and ang problem kasi pag nabasag na siya, hindi mo na siya pwede gamitin long term. You really have to throw the whole thing.
Yeah, exactly. How about the usage? Kumusta yung usage ni Toy Moy?
Yeah, I have 8 cats, no?
Yeah, okay.
So, I used to change every 3 days.
Just ko, ang dami na yun, ha?
So, that's... what I do actually is, noon is, it's 2 bags, freshly cleaned cat litter box. So, it's 2 bags, and then I refill every 2 to 3 days.
Oh my God, no?
So, ang gastos ko sa cat litter. So, when it comes to Toy Moy, abot ako ng 7, 8.
Oh,
8 days.
wow.
Before I refill another bag. It's a very good investment, no? Kasi ang sakit sa bulsa ng cat litter.
Kasi sometimes, Doc, there's a lot of product here na naglabasan. It's ang mura. But they tend to forget the weight. Kasi sinasabi 10 liters, but the weight is not 10 liters.
Yeah.
It's actually that's 7
I know, it's
kilo.
just 7. Yeah, 7.
And the other one is like, ang pinaka-importante, of course, when you have a good usage, Doc, siyempre nakita ko kanina, sabi ko, di ba nung inano mo talaga ang linis? Sabi ko, parang back to bago, parang bago ulit, bagong lagay eh.
Kahit close contact, makita mo talaga there's very minimal dust. And then, ang gusto ko pa sa Toy Moy is, once the clamping sticks to the floor of the cat litter, kasi ang hirap niyang alisin. And then, syempre mababasag mo siya kasi dumidikit siya. So, masisira yung buong stock ng cat litter. So, what I do noon actually is, I don't use yung slatted ones na scooper. Yung scooper talaga ng food ang gamit ko para makuha ko lahat. So, maubos siya. Yes. So, that's the reason na maubos siya. If you're a cat parent like me na ikaw talaga yung hands-on sa cats mo, magets mo ako na nakakainis yung dumidikit sa cat litter floor, di ba? Kasi maubos talaga siya kaagad.
Yes, yes.
So, it's a very good thing, Toy Moy. Thank you for introducing me to Toy Moy.
And thank you for trusting our brand.
Yes.
Yun ang pinaka-importante.
Sabi ko nga sa'yo, I will not talk about any brands na hindi ko naman gusto.
Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you very much
for taking time. I know you're pretty busy, but you take time also to the testimony,
Yes.
And thank you for your genuine testimony.
Thank you for the ambush.
Nice to meet you,
Good morning. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. Meow, 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 everybody. Bye. Ayun, galing ah.